Students, welcome to the session of data file. In this session, we will learn what is data file and its use, how to create data file, and what are the commands or methods to be used while writing the programs. Data file. It is used to store data or instructions permanently or as long as we wish. Take an example. Suppose you have written a program to enter a name and class. You might have observed that data entered while execution is not available once the execution of program gets over. It happens because whatever work done, I mean data entry, while execution is done in RAM. As you know, RAM is volatile in nature, so you can't get back previous data when you restart or re-execute the program. This problem can be solved in data file. Now come to data file operations. In Python, file handling takes place in following orders. First, opening data file. Second, performing operations like reading or writing. And third, closing the file. Using the previous mentioned basic operations like opening, reading or writing, and closing, we can use data file in following ways. Look at the given points one by one. But in class 12, we have to perform only three major operations like reading, writing, and appending. Data file is categorized into two types: text file and binary file. Text file stores data in running letters format like we are writing in copies or seen in the book. Now come to binary file. A binary file is just a file that contains information in the same format in which the information is held in memory, that is 0 and 1. The file content that is returned to us is raw, means no translation or no specific encoding. In binary files, there is no delimiter for a line. Also, no translation occur in binary files. As a result, binary files are faster and easier for a program to read and write than are text files. In Python, to open or close or read or write, we have to create file object, because without file object we can't open the file, we can't read the file, we can't close the file, we can't write the file. So file object is created by using the inbuilt function open function. Let's have the definition of the functions which are to be used in writing the programs. So start with the open function. This function is used to open a specified file in a specified mode. Look at the syntax given here. File object, it is user defined, equal to open. Now open the bracket and inside double quotes we have to write the name of file. After that we need to put comma, and then we have to write the access mode. Mode means reading, writing or appending. There are certain codes are there. R stands for reading, W stands for writing, A stands for appending. So any of the mentioned mode we can use while opening the file. Now the close function. This function is used to close a specified data file. And how to write? Look at the syntax given here. To close the file, we have to first write the file object, then dot, and after that we need to write close function. This will close the specified file object. And the next is the write function. This function allow us to write data to specified data file. Syntax is given here. Look at the syntax. For this we need to write file object dot write. After that we need to open the bracket, and inside the bracket we have to write a line or variable, and finally close the bracket. Now look at the example of the learn command. Here we have to create a text file sgmps.txt to add any two lines to this file. So for this purpose, as I told earlier, first of all we have to open the file, and while opening the file we have to create the file object also. Okay, because that object has to be used later on also for the writing and closing also. Now look at the example. In first line of the answer, we are creating file object F and opening the file in writing mode. W stands for writing mode. After that we are using the file object along with the write function to write the first line. Same as we are writing the second line also, and when writing is over we are closing the file. This way you can create any data file. Students, we have finished data file creation, text file creation. Now note down a question to solve. Create a text file para.txt to write your name, class and roll number to that file. Okay students, in next session we will learn reading operation along with its functions.